Syed Masood with me today. Welcome, sir. What do you see about Tycon this time? I know you are a part of that. So, what do you have to say about it, about Tycon?
So first of all, thank you for inviting me. Well, TiECon, you see, I see this growing as an amazing platform, and this year especially, there's a lot of vibrancy. The number of attendees is amazing, and also the TI 50 initiative. I met some of the young startups. The ideas that are coming out are absolutely brilliant. So one thing that I see is absolutely a great future ahead for not just TI but the entire entrepreneurial ecosystem. But secondly, the buzz that's going around, all the deals, the investors, the startups, that is what we need, a shot in the arm. So I think TI is doing a fantastic job with this TiECon.
So, what other message you have for your viewers?
Message: dream big, follow your dream, all of those, and basically live your life. Don't let it live you. You know. So if you believe in something, you want to do something meaningful, now is the time to start and really work hard at it. There's no lottery ticket that's going to get you, just across. So if you work for it and you have a dream and you're willing to, walk the talk, everything is possible, and that's the core message I think that TI also gives. That and secondly, I think one of the more important aspects of TI is the philosophy of giving back. So if you have achieved any modicum of success, it is very important that you start giving back to the younger set, those people who can follow in your footsteps and not make the same mistakes that you did, so that they can go further, scale higher, and do greater things. It's useful for everyone.
That's so wonderful, the inspiring words you have said for the budding entrepreneurs. I hope from your words they'll be benefiting. And thank you being a part of the TIG.
Thank you very much.
Great pleasure, sir.
Thank you.
Great pleasure.